This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. 21st, 2018. This one here I got a call for, I gotta go fix a leaking toilet. I was here working on this toilet a while back, and a lady called me. I don't know, it's been a month or so, I guess. It says it's leaking a little bit when she flushes it, so we'll go over and see what we can do. It looks like that nut's loose. I don't think it's the closet bolts that I tightened last time. That's fine. Yeah, so it's this. She's as loose as a goose. See if that takes care of it. Oh, that nut's loose too. Look at that. By hand I could do it. Wow. That's bad. That's bad. Last time I was here, I tightened up the tank bolts, but I didn't touch this. And I didn't see it leaking, so. That's tight, that's fine. Make sure everything fills up and works right before you go. Put too much on it. I mean, the thing was definitely leaking. Weird. Once they're good and flush it a couple times, make sure it don't leak. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, toilet supply connection was loose up top there.